Hey, and welcome back to our house, living with the Lindsays. So today I am making dinner again with stuff I have in the house. So I had some leftover wings, some french fries. So I'm gonna make buffalo wings, hot wings basically. This is what I'm gonna season my chicken with. Oh, I need to get some more pepper. Some cracker boy, some paprika. This is for my buffalo sauce, some crystals, some slap your mama, a little bit of accent, which I'm gonna use that for the chicken too. Red pepper flakes and chili powder. I ain't gonna make it too hot, but it's gonna be spicy. And some butter for the sauce. That's what I'm gonna make for the sauce. So y'all seen me make wings before, so I don't need to do the process, but I just thought I'd show y'all what I was cooking for dinner because that's in the house because I didn't feel like going to the store. So I'll come back and show y'all when I'm done. Hey, so this is what's for dinner. It's finished. We have hot wings, fries. For dipping, Melissa has creamy ranch, which is this. It is so good. Ken's actually has a good recipe for all their dressings, but she has creamy ranch. I'm sorry, creamy Caesar. Creamy Caesar. I said that wrong. Creamy Caesar. And he has ranch. He wasn't feeling as adventurous. And this is so funny. Nelly does not like ketchup on her fries. She gets triggered by it and make her mad when she sees it. So that's why she has hers in a bowl. But it's so funny, y'all should see her. She actually gets really mad when anybody does it. But anyway, this is the end, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.